Hi, viewers, to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, I would like to congratulate in the municipality of Rizal, Cagayan. First of all, I would like to congratulate Attorney Brenda Bellarmino Ruma and your youngest mayor at the age of 21. I'm referring to your daughter, Jamila Denise Bellarmino Ruma. I would like to say congratulations, both of you, as a mayor and vice mayor in the town of Rizal, Cagayan Province. By the way, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Steve. I'm from Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. I know this is far from Region 2 and Region 18. This is located in Visayas. Actually, before kuan kami, Region 7, Central Visayas. Actually, ako po yung nag-upload ng video tungkol sa pagkamatay sa papa mo, Mayor Jamila, and Vice Mayor Brenda, about your husband. It so happened, may nag-chat sa akin, pwede ba ito gawin necrological video kaagad? Sabi ko, ano ang details? Sino ba namatay? Pag-mention na Attorney Joel Ruma, na surprise. Sabi ko, ha? Then, kasi yung sa Padecat Festival, yung 10th Padecat Festival, yung social, I think may social media, yung meron isang bridge, tapos may lumabas na Padecat Festival, 10th Padecat Festival, na surprise ako after yung sa event, bigla siya na assassinate. Then yung chinek ko sa TV, doon ko nalaman na nagsulputan na lahat ng mga media personnel, paparazzi. So yun. Pero itong video na ito is significant para sa akin kasi all over Philippines, where can you find a youngest mayor in the Philippines at age 21? 21. Hindi 18, hindi 19, hindi 20. 21. And take note, she's the only female to become a youngest mayor in the whole Philippines. And sa city, hindi ko pa sure, pero kung in terms of municipal, any towns, any provinces, anywhere in the Philippines, wala pang nakaka-candidate na mayor, mayor. So, in the whole Philippines, this is the most hindi naman Guinness Book of World of Records. Kasi ito, wala pa ito. Meron youngest mayor, mga lalaki at age 25, or youngest councilor, yon maniniwala. Pero ganitong edad 21, very seldom. I'm gonna tell you. In the Philippine history, wala pang nakaka-candidate ng ganyang klase. Not only in the province of Cagayan. You try to observe Mayor Jamila. You go to other provinces, you go to other cities in Metro Manila, walang ganyang edad. Usually, kung mayor, mga kakapasado lang ng bar exam, kakapasa lang ng law graduate, hindi pa nakatake bar exam, tapos diretso takbo mayor. Wala pa nga councilor. So, yun. Kasi itong case mo kasi ang papa mo kasi mayor, so may background. So, train ka kaagad. Kasi ito, very, very seldom. Ito nakita ko, the youngest mayor at age 21 in the whole Philippines. Wow, this is a very significant history. So, itong video na ito is very important. Congratulations, both of you. Then, nung nakita ko yung project, yung concrete bridge, kasi kung in terms of calamity, flooding, basic services, kakailanganin yan ng municipality. Ako po yung nag-upload ng necrological video because I am a necrologist. Ibig sabihin kung may namatay or with complete details na pinapublish ko po yan. Itong case sa kanya, may pangalan na cemetery. Sabi ko, ang bilis naman. Yung date of death, meron na. Tapos yung chinek ko, hindi siya nakakuha ng birthday niya. Tapos timing, yung buried na, yung Labor Day, May 1. Ayun, may announcement. Ayun. So, na-publish ko yung video na yun. Kaya, yun po ang naging kuhan ko sa akin. Kasi actually, I'm a world's famous necrologist, to be honest. Kasi from ano ba ito na ko? Nagsimula ako yung pinatay na opposition leader sa Russia, Alexei Navalny, doon nagsimula. Because what if kung mag-upload ako na may namatay sa Philippines? Kasi local. Pero ito kasi world. Kaya sige, tinanggap ko lang. Ito kasi mabilis. Supposed to be, ang i-upload ko is yung pagkamatay ni Pope Francis. Supposed to be. Pope Francis, yung sa Vatican. And so happen na pagka April 23, actually nagkasabay sila ni Haji Alejandro, yung singer. Sabi ka, hindi nagkasabay-sabay na. Tapos, ayun, yun lang talaga. Actually, ako pa yung nag-publish yung sila, Pilita Corrales, tsaka may isa pa. Si Ricky Davao, yung Filipino actor, yung asawa ni Jackie Lo Blanco, iba ito. So, yun, nagkasunod-sunod. Sabi ko, hindi na to. Na-conflict yung time. Pero ito, timing lang talaga na before election time or election related sa 2025. So, yun. Pero, I'm so proud of you because never pa ako nakaheard na ganitong age. Age 21 in the Philippines. So, that's it. So, once again, congratulations both of you. And that's a good public servant. Honesty is the best policy. Ako, as a Protestant, I'm not a Catholic, pero this is a good public servant. Kahit hindi ito Metro Manila, pero ito is a town na may puso at malasakit. Thank you so much.